Welcome back, you guys, to another video. If you like CCIV, the Lucid Motors merger action, and the Churchill Capital team, I have two new SPACs no one is talking about. One of the SPACs is brand new to the market and started trading on Friday, January 5th. The other one is an older SPAC and already has a definitive agreement. You don't want to miss this video. If you're new here, welcome to Options Temple, where we attempt to enter our trades and investments at the best possible time. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to join our Options Temple community. And as always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity. Let's get straight into the first SPAC. The newest SPAC from the Churchill Capital team is ticker symbol CCV. On October 22nd, 2020, this article was released announcing the Churchill Capital 5 SPAC backed by former Citigroup banker Michael Klein. It is looking to raise $400 million by selling 40 million shares at $10 per unit. This SPAC was originally intended to raise $300 million, but now it upped the stakes at $400 million. The SPAC plans to target industries with compelling long-term growth prospects, opportunities to affect valuation improvements, attractive competitive dynamics, and consolidation opportunities. It plans to target businesses with competitive advantages, significant streams of recurring revenue, opportunity of operational improvement, attractive steady-state margins, high incremental margins, and attractive free cash flow characteristics. Wow, I just read a mouthful of nonsensical jargon. This is stating the obvious and is very vague. It's pretty much saying they have raised $400 million for a good company to merge with. If we take a look at their operating partners, we have the same exact team as CCIV, the Lucid Motors rumored merger. This is a cast of 19 all-stars diversified in various industries. This SPAC began trading live on Friday, February 5th. It only has been live for 1 day. At the time of the recording of this video, it is trading at $13.10. It is still at a reasonable price to buy in for a SPAC. This could be another home run. I would consider this stock or the warrants at these levels. The next SPAC I'm going to talk about is CCX. CCX is Churchill Capital's original SPAC, and it was released almost 2 years ago on July 2019. As this SPAC is getting near to the end of the road, it finally found a merger. On October 13th, 2020, it was announced that it will be merging with Skillsoft in a $1.3 billion deal. The SPAC raised $233 million. It was set to close the deal by January 2021, but it hasn't. I wasn't very familiar with the company, so I did some research. Skillsoft is an online learning educational tool with various subjects and programs. It also integrates with Microsoft's Viva Learning library. Apparently, Skillsoft was founded in 1998. It IPO'd in the stock market in 2000 under the ticker symbol SKIL. The company was bought by a firm in 2010 that is owned by Warren Buffett's Berkshire Partners for $1.2 billion. In 2014, it was once again sold to Charterhouse Capital Partners for $2 billion. In the following year, Skillsoft had acquired two new companies and the company was growing. On June 2020, in the middle of the pandemic, it had declared for bankruptcy. By August 2020, it announced that it had emerged from bankruptcy. And now we have Churchill Capital merging with this struggling company to bring it back once again into the markets. My thoughts on Skillsoft. It seems like the company was way ahead of its time. It took just a little over 20 years for it to be relevant. Also, for some reason, big companies continue to sell and buy the company at a slightly higher valuation over the years. This is a company Wall Street is not letting die out. Since the announced merger last year, the stock hasn't done much. It was also announced for the merger to be completed by January, and it didn't. This is definitely a high-risk investment with potential high reward, since the company is now relevant in the middle of a pandemic. At the time of this recording, it is trading at $10.44. Since the release of this SPAC almost 2 years ago, it's been a complete sleeper and only hitting a high of $11.42. For now, I'm just going to add this one into my watch list. Overall, Churchill Capital has been very volatile. Something to be aware of. Originally, CCIV was supposed to merge with DirecTV, but didn't. Now it's supposed to merge with Lucid Motors, but hasn't. CCX was listed in 2019 and it almost took 2 years to finally announce a merger with a struggling company in hopes to turn things around. CCX has been a sleeper this whole time and the future of Skillsoft is questionable. As for CCV, this is the latest and most exciting opportunity for now. With CCIV being extremely successful as of now, it seems like Churchill is a little more experienced in finding the winners. I'm still in and love CCIV, and CCV looks very promising. That's pretty much it for this video. If you liked this video or found this information useful, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to see more trading and investing ideas. I'm not a financial advisor and this is for entertainment purposes only. And as always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity.